We see there for the program, name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. They reach you from independent television. Anywhere for the world when they see they watch us, we say, welcome again. You know, today's program, we cut a short, so that we go do things where the way it's supposed to be, because time will not be our friend. For time when we say no to you come here, Edo State government, through the Edo State Traffic Management Agency, they talk and say, any person when we see they drive anyhow, especially the when we see they drive against traffic, they go arrest them, they will carry them, maybe they go check their heads, you know, psychiatric test, they'll go test them first to know whether that person is good to drive or not. So the matter where people look and say, which kind of matter be this one? But I go tell you now, say the thing don't they enforce. Because of that one, we come out to go make the person when we say they in charge, number one person when we say they in charge, the managing director for Edo State Traffic Management Agency, make it talk to us about this matter. Dennis Olori Egbe, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much, Ogasado.
I greet you. I don't know, what will be how driving can't take gets relationship with a psychiatric hospital. How they take how they take John, how they take get relationship? Let's say Mama born there.
The matter, just like the question when you ask, what will be the relationship between psychiatric and person and
when they drive.
mad person and driver? Well, this one way matter. If you see, not be all our offense. Now we say we dey send go psychiatric. The only offense when we dey send na one way, or the one when you dey drive against traffic. You know, before you reach this extent, we don't try everything. Okay, we first start, we go right fine. We go right, say make you go pay. They go pay. It can't be like say the thing they increase. Then from there we can't add training. If you commit offense one way, we go say okay, we will go train you. The thing no real. We discover say it no still stop. So that's why we can't say okay, what we go do to stop people? Now we can't introduce a psychiatric joiner. Now we just start am. We don't educate the masses. We dey tell them say, if you pass one way, we go say you go psychiatric. We don't reach 2 weeks where we dey talk. But this week now we can't start to send people.
You know, don't arrest people when we say that kind go to psychiatric.
Yes,
hospital.
we don't send 4.
Go psychiatric hospital.
Go psychiatric hospital. We dey wait for the results now.
Okay.
You know, and when the result come, we go still bring and come make we stay sure.
Okay, may I ask you, Mr. Oloregbe, people when we say na arrest against traffic, so who won't pay for it? Because whether I like them or not, they go test the person, do everything. This thing they cost money. Who won't come pay now? Thomas, I don't when we say they interview you. I mean, S-man won't pay. I mean, district government won't pay. Who won't come pay?
Yes, the person when he go psychiatric now he go pay.
Okay.
Because as we don't send them go, their motto dey with us.
Okay.
Their motto dey with us. When they pay, they go stick. When they pay, do the test, get the result. They go bring the result sheet come. We will come say they will go pay our own fine before we leave them. All these things are to make sure they no commit the fine. One way matter be like mad person.
Okay.
Because sometimes we can't discover even when road free, people go just enter one way, they run, they go. So it's one way drive is one of the 9-day risky pass. Why am I saying it? You, when you did the other side, you no go believe this motor they come from one way.
Because you
before
on the
you
right
reach
side.
this extent, we go do research for clinic, for emergency ward. We discover that most of their emergency now motorway they pass one way. At least 40% of emergency accident now one way. So that's why we say, look, what do we go do to stop this thing permanently? Now to send them go psychiatric hospital. And as I talk to you now, you discover that fear of that psychiatric, you don't reduce. Before now when we send people go, every day we feel catch like 15 one way, especially for our area, Saple Road, we feel catch 15 one way. But yesterday, even one we never see. One way we no see catch yesterday. So that is the essence of how this thing it dey work. We no do am because we want make psychiatrists see work do. Psychiatric hospital already get plenty work when they do. But why would they do and be say, make they no commit that offense? Anything wey go give them pain when they no commit the offense, na will they do. Okay. That is why we introduce.
If you look at we know say Lagos streets for Benin.
Okay.
Say that now one way.
Yes.
When they Benin.
Yes.
We know say one road where that's like James Swart or so.
Yes.
Abi, that now one way.
One way.
Mission Road area.
Yes.
But the question I want to ask now be say many people they when be say driving against traffic and one way are two different things.
That is the same thing.
Okay, because one way between only one side you go fit pass. But driving against traffic now two lanes they depend on the side to pass.
You see the Lagos street matter when you talk. Before you enter from the front, you will see say they put no road. That is no road for vehicle coming like this. But some people go even know. They go see pretend say they don't know.
In this case now, which people we not put on people there to check this.
Not be those ones we know they had on those ones. Those ones where they absolute one way like Sapler Road, they even divide the road
into two.
You go see person go the other way they drive. Now those ones when we say we customize the road, we turn the road to one way because of exigencies, because of the importance. Those ones we are still going to keep doing enlightenment or what we call public education for those roads. So those ones make them know. If you make error, we've told that we educate our people. Next week we are starting another round of training for our men on all these things. So we are already saying that by next week, everything will be okay.
Okay. You know what you did there? We go take this thing now because the program the waka they go try to make sure say things the waka where the way it's supposed to be. We'll just take one very short break now. We'll come back, not go anywhere. Just to give a very short break to take this message. Stay with us. We see the waka they go. The name of the program Good Money from Benin and things that the waka where the way they're supposed to be for the program Good Money. From Benin, we get our brother and friend here, Dennis Oloriegbe, where MBC Naim be the managing director for the Edo State Traffic Management Agency, ESMA. So, Oga Oloriegbe, we go find out from you this matter when MBC say a consign on a staff strength.
Okay.
Whether we like them or not, we get many express road for Edo State.
You are right.
Whether I like them or not, we get many places where like say people go always drive against traffic.
You are right.
Whether I like them or not, because all of us in a hurry, we are in a hurry. I'm in a hurry, rush hour. Everybody would like to rush to do something and all of that. Even in advanced countries, they see they break law. But the difference is they follow the law that side more than we here. I want to find out from you now. These areas that when we say plenty, we not get enough hands to mount most of these areas when we say people they pass against traffic. Ugbowo, Oluku, Sapler Road, Mission Road, Akpapava, and the rest.
Traffic management system, you say, personnel know they always reach because population they increase, roads they increase too, especially like those states where the government they increase the numbers of roads, they tar roads. But on our own, we have patrol operation.
Okay.
Areas where people no fit cover, we expect say make members of patrol, make them reach such areas. So that patrol operation and what we call troopers too. Troopers now people when they ride bike, we send them there. Then and we get special operation multi-agency too. Like the other day, you will see us, we police, soldier, we involved in that one a multi-agency operation. We could go out together. That one because we just want these things one way to because one case when it make us sad, the case of that accident when motor knock one person, he died on the spot. The picture is not something when we go fish show people, but it was a very bad situation. Person when he come out for us, they go walk. He don't know say motor they come out, so he no look. No know the motor they come and the guy kill and he go till today. We dey look for the vehicle, we no see her.
More change small gear small because no matter when we say concern driving and everything, still gear person they change and the rest of it. More change gear to our people that when we say they drive buses.
Okay.
Tuki and the rest. And other small lap buses constantly there again. When we say they see now. Not be keke na pebble.
Yeah, the smaller one.
Bus,
when they carry like 6 people.
Yes. All those ones come there. But if they look their activities and the rest, how do they regulate their activities? Whether you like them or not, they're always in a hurry. They want to make money for person when get motor. They want to make money for themselves.
For themselves.
Sometimes they even hand over the day.
Yes.
You know, they have to take off their handover person and the rest of that. It's important to sanitize their activities.
Yeah, we are looking at holistic transportation planning. You know, that is everything. All of us, they sit down, they think every day. What we could do. One, to organize the city. Now, we dey talk of like bus stops now. We want to put bus stops for everywhere. We don't already identify where we want to put bus stops for all the major roads. The major roads, like this Selu Road, this Uniben Road, na major road. Ugbowo Road, na major road. Airport Road, na major road. Saple Road, na major road. Akpakpava to Aduawa to Agbo Road, Ekenwa Road. Those are major roads. We have identified the bus stop areas where bus stops will be based on the meters and based on the importance of people who are using there. We don't identify. Waiting we want to do. We say to build bus stops, it go dey expensive, but we go put wetin they call bus stop sign, customized bus stop sign. When we say customized, the bus stop go get name. Oh, if for instance,
they say this one Lori bus stop.
Yes, Sado. Okay. Bus stop.
No, your Lori Egbe bus stop.
We go put her. We okay. Put her like Exma, maybe where our office day. Oh, Exma headquarter bus stop. Right. Oh, Palm House bus stop. Police College bus stop. Right. Just like that. Now, when we put her, we expect commercial vehicle to obey them. The era, you know, now if you carry 10 passengers, everybody go drop for where he go, where he want drop. Oh. They will say, driver, that place I go drop, driver go stop. The same, another person say one stop.
Why you not drop your stand?
Why not be so in the work. You go drop near your bus stop. Okay. So now driver or conductor go call bus stop. The passenger go say he dey. If you know he go continue. So when they call, Palm House bus stop or Secretariat bus stop, he dey. He go stop. All the people in one call, they will drop down. Not everybody go to drop for where they lie. That is the first organization.
Okay, if they drop like that for where they do, what about the picking of passengers? So that means say you don't want to pick up.
No, when you want to enter motor now, you go to the bus stop. When near you, you stand now. When some buses they call, even if they no get passenger and bus people there for the bus stop, they go park. That means we give you the privilege, the chance to stop for that bus stop to pick your passenger. If you no use and we arrest you, we fine you.
Psychiatric test again?
And that one no go green psychiatric test because it's not a major offense. The major offense when we carry go psychiatric now one way or assault.
At a point with the HSA, the Edo State Traffic Management Agency, say they want to do training for drivers.
Yeah.
The rest, even at a point, they won't build a place.
We have a ESMA Academy in school.
For school and all those kind of this thing. If that's you just talk calm, just do like that, the whole clown and keep on, because now just first start and the whole work.
No.
But after how many months now, close to a year or more, we don't hear anything about them again. Yeah. You that everybody does a bit drive now. I've been waiting because if everybody does a bit drive now, you know, come home Bernard or Sawa or say, sir Bernard, now you know drive where, so now you must carry to psychiatric hospital and all of that.
You know, say Sado, you don't you know the where promotion come, it come with so many responsibility. As you don't get promotion,
that you promote me. That you promote me.
The office here you come there. Okay. The ESMA Academy don't start. You know, but we get the headquarter on. That is the one. That one I like experiment, the sample when we take start. Because what we want to do now to get for north, to get for central.
Okay, for the three senatorial districts.
Yeah, before you feel enforce them. You know, if you say by force, all commercial vehicle come and train. From Auchi, from Akoko Edo to come here is too far.
Yeah.
So, but what we are doing now, voluntary compliance. We encourage, because we want to train there. Now, drivers, professional drivers. Who be professional driver? Professional driver na person when he do live on the act of driving. Not only commercial. If you get company driver for here, that company driver is a professional driver.
Okay.
You, when you drive your motor, you are not a professional driver.
Okay.
You are a professional journalist. So now professional drivers, now we want to train. That is commercial driver, tipper driver, tanker driver, all the people, even executive driver, people when they drive Oga Now then we want the train. But right now, because the facility never did for North and Central, we never make am for. So what we are doing, we have a department we call corporate affairs. They go out to talk to people. You will see people have already started coming.
Okay. Mr. Rodrigo, because time now we are friend time, I want to meet you, they wait for, but they wait for you. If I say make you, I say make I let you they go now, what will that thing when you say, yes, say you want make people know, especially drivers for Edo State?
Yes.
When you say concern traffic management?
Yes, the drivers for Edo State, make una no fear because we dey talk of psychiatry. If not be, we know we can't just catch you,
that reminds me, not only commercial drivers, now go arrest for that kind
of matter.
No,
both private, if we see anybody for one way, they go psychiatric.
Okay.
We warn everybody because we already have something on our hand. We give person, say make he go psychiatric, come the beg, he won't do politics, he go spoil the record. That is part of it. He go spoil people record. Because once you go psychiatric, they go ask you, wait till you go there, go fine.
So
we already hearing
to spoil your record, make you no spoil your own record.
No spoil your record. We don't hear information. Some of the people when we said one, they don't see a depressive problem. He is depressed too. Na mad person. You know me say he wear rag, he work out for town, but he's actually mad. He's depressed. So what we want to say, make una try obey. Make una no use one way. Make una obey traffic law. And if we obey, all of us, is for the good of the city. But when the pikin go out or the wife go out, motor knock am for one way. Where he supposed to, will you, that one no good. So I talk to my people, the commercial driver who are our friend, say I beg, make una obey the law so that we no go send una go psychiatric hospital.
Dennis Oloriegbe, the managing director of Edo State Traffic Management Agency. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I know what make anybody go psychiatric hospital on their accounts of say you drive against traffic or you drive one way. So I go beg all of us then make we do things rightly the way it's supposed to be. If not, the carry go psychiatric hospital, know what that one be, it go dent your image. We'll take some more break just now. When they come back, not go anywhere, stay.